In this video, we're going to talk about the presets section. In Solum, you are able to save the current state of the device as presets by holding Shift and then clicking on any slot on the preset module you'd prefer. And then now, as you can see, it's highlighted. And if I change any parameters on the device, so let's say I want to use these videos and I also want to mix them, and I also want to set up some random color set and save it. Now I can recall the first state and then the second state with a click of a button. If I want to delete them, I just need to hold Shift and Alt or Option and then click on the slot. What you can also do, so let's say I save a second slot again, and you can also control the preset section by MIDI notes. So now if I send a MIDI note to Solum, it just jumps between the slots. You can define the first MIDI note that represents the first slot on the device, so you don't need to change your MIDI setup or your MIDI settings on your MIDI controller. So let's say now it's going to be an E. So now I send an E. So the second slot will be an F. What you can also do is utilizing the param smooth parameter, which is basically a movement smoother. So if you start to increase the value of this parameter and turn any knob, what you will notice is that the movements between positions of the parameter will be smoother, and the higher the value is, the longer the journey will be between the two states of the parameter. So let's say I want to save this zoomed in, and then the second video could be zoomed out. I save it. I can also turn on the transition between videos. And now you created some smoother transitions between presets. What is important to understand here is that certain parameters won't be saved with the presets. So one of them is the video transition, because it just makes sense. The other one is the parameter smoother, which also makes sense because you want to define the length of the journey, and all the monitoring and recording parameters are also not saved, and the first MIDI note as well. All right, that's it. See you in the next one.